I noticed something has changed recently. Whenever I try to sound smart, I actually speak worse. But when I talk normally using simple English words, my communication becomes clear and smoother, and the audience with which or the people with which I want to talk about, they understand me in a better way, and they understand exactly in the same way I want them to understand me. Hello everyone. So today is day 34 of the challenge, and today I want to talk with you about a mistake I have been doing from a long ago, you, and that is using hard and complicated English words and English words instead of using simple and my natural tone and and using simple English words. Earlier, whenever I wanted to sound smart or sound professional, I thought using this, I thought using the fancy English words would sue me, as I am good at communication and create a good impression among the people. I thought good communication means I thought good communication only meant using using a smart language, but the result was completely different or opposite. But the result was totally opposite. I got stung. I forgot what I want to say or what I want to put. I forgot what I wanted to say. My speaking speed became slower, and I started feeling nervous. And instead of sounding smart, I start sounding unnatural, and people were not impressed. They are getting confused and bored. My brain was busy to sound intelligent instead of trying instead of trying to communicate the audience in a better way. But one day while recording and talking about a random thing on day 24 or 25, it was day 24 or 25, I stopped trying to wing. I stopped trying to use those difficult English words or use those jargon words. I just went with the flow. I only focused on finishing sentence, not on perfect sentence, and suddenly my speaking becomes smoother. That's when I realized something very important. Communication is not Communication is not about sounding smart. It is only about being understood. The psychology behind this is simple. The psychology behind this is totally simple. The psychology behind it very simple. When we try to sound smart using difficult words, our brain goes into a pressure mode, like how we have when an important guest come to our house. When we became extra careful, slightly uncomfortable, and not totally fully natural as we live in our house. The place is same, but our behavior totally changed when someone comes in our house. In the same way, our brain behaves when we try to use those complicated English words. Because of this pressure, our sentence Our sentence structure become complicated. Our thinking speed slow down and our confidence automatically drops. When we speak simply in the language we naturally use, our thinking become faster. Sentence finish automatically, and the listener understands us exactly in the same way we want them to understand us. Simple speaking is not low level speaking. It is a high clarity speaking. Here here is one practical I here is one practical tip for you. Next time you speak, don't ask how can I sound smart. Simply ask yourself how can I explain this to a 10-year old. That question will simply that question automatically simplify your communication, as I am currently working on that. So this is div 34. I hope this helps you. I hope this helps you. I am still learning. I am still learning communication every single day, but this one change has already improved my speaking a lot. If you are also practicing daily, keep going. Day by day, we are definitely going to improve our communication along with our personal and professional life. This is it for day 34. See you tomorrow on day 35. See you tomorrow on day 35. And as you can see, I have saved my hair. I have saved my head, and the reason behind that is I have broken a promise with myself, which I did with myself, and that is I had promised myself that I will be uploading a video every day for the next 365 days. But I have uploaded video of day 32 on the 33, and I am uploading day 33 on day 34. It means that I have broken that challenge, and this was the thing I have. This is the punishment of that. And on this channel, I am not going to talk about marketing, AI, or any hard skill. I am only going to talk about my soft skills, which include communication, personal development, self-improvement, and psychology. So this was day 34. See you at day 35.